Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best drones on AliExpress in 2025. Whether you're a professional filmmaker, a hobbyist, or just love aerial photography, these drones offer 4K cameras, GPS, obstacle avoidance, and advanced flight features. We'll review each drone, highlight its strengths and weaknesses, and help you decide which one suits your needs. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Number 1. L601 Pro Max 4K Professional Drone. This drone comes with a 4K HD camera and 3-axis gimbal for stable footage. It features GPS navigation, 360-degree obstacle avoidance, and 5G Wi-Fi RC control. It's designed for professional aerial photography and smooth cinematic shots. The L601 Pro Max delivers excellent video clarity and stability thanks to its 3-axis gimbal. Obstacle avoidance makes it beginner-friendly and reduces crash risk. The 5G Wi-Fi connection allows low-latency FPV, or first-person view, streaming. Battery life is decent, and the drone handles wind well for outdoor shooting. Pros: 4K HD video with smooth stabilization, GPS and 360-degree obstacle avoidance, 5G Wi-Fi FPV, professional-grade features. Cons: slightly heavier than mini drones, moderate flight time, around 25 to 30 minutes. Number 2. KF104 Max 2 4K Dual Camera Drone. This drone has dual 4K cameras and a built-in screen on the controller. It features GPS, 3-axis gimbal, and obstacle avoidance. Ideal for wide-angle shots and professional photography. Dual cameras provide flexibility, one for wide-angle and one for standard shots. The built-in screen eliminates the need to attach a smartphone. Obstacle avoidance improves flight safety, and GPS keeps it stable even in windy conditions. Overall, an excellent drone for both beginners and pros seeking advanced filming options. Pros: dual 4K cameras, built-in screen controller, GPS and 3-axis stabilization, obstacle avoidance for safety. Cons: slightly more expensive, heavier than compact drones. Number 3. L600 Pro or L600 Pro Max 4K drone. This drone offers 3-kilometer flight range, 4K camera, and smart obstacle avoidance. It's a compact professional quadcopter, ideal for mini drones enthusiasts seeking high-quality footage. The L600 Pro Max is lightweight yet powerful. It maintains excellent stability in flight and offers smooth video recording. Smart obstacle avoidance helps protect the drone from collisions during complex maneuvers. Great for intermediate users looking for a balance between portability and professional capabilities. Pros: 4K camera with smooth stabilization, 3-kilometer flight range, smart obstacle avoidance, compact design for portability. Cons: battery life could be longer, not ideal for heavy payload accessories. Number 4. Potensic C0 Single-Axis Gimbal 4K Drone. This lightweight drone weighs under 249 grams, making it legal in many countries without registration. It features a single-axis 4K gimbal, GPS, and up to 4-kilometer flight distance. Designed for both adults and beginners, it's perfect for casual aerial photography. Despite its compact size, the Potensic C0 delivers surprisingly stable footage. The drone is beginner-friendly, and GPS helps with accurate hovering and return-to-home features. It's quiet and portable, making it great for travel or quick aerial shots. Pros: lightweight and portable, less than 249 grams. 4K camera with single-axis gimbal. GPS-assisted flight and return to home. Beginner-friendly. Cons: single-axis gimbal less stable than 3-axis. Smaller payload capacity. Number 5. New S1X Max GPS drone. The S1X Max features a 4K camera, 3-axis gimbal, FPV brushless motor, and large-screen remote control. It's foldable for portability and designed for professional aerial filming. The brushless motor provides stable, quiet flight with good wind resistance. The large screen on the controller makes FPV easy and enjoyable. Foldable design enhances portability without sacrificing performance. It's a strong choice for professional and semi-professional drone enthusiasts. Pros: 4K camera with 3-axis gimbal. Foldable and portable. Brushless motor for stability. Large FPV screen. Cons: slightly more expensive. Larger controller than mini drones. Here's a quick summary. Best for professional filming, L601 Pro Max or S1X Max. Best dual camera versatility, KF104 Max 2. Best compact yet professional, L600 Pro Max. Best lightweight and beginner-friendly, Potensic C0. Whether you're capturing cinematic shots, traveling, or just exploring aerial photography, these drones offer a range of features for every user level. Check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more drone reviews and tech updates in 2025.